Temba Mliso anozikanwa kunzi he is spending much of his time achiataka VP Constantino Chiwenga pamwe chete napresidential spokesperson George Charamba. Panguva ineyo oya achioneswa ndondo nevanhu after VP Constantino Chiwenga appear in a military gear yesterday. Panguva inoyo Temba Mliso achizopindura after almost every critic Zvigananda amutega achiti Temba Mliso, are you seeing this? You size VP Constantino Chiwenga. Now zvauri kuona izvi uchazvimirira here? Ndinopa subscribe like on the bell icon. Mliso anobudanyira achiti people tagging me in these photos moda ndite sei nenhau dzemachira aya. Some of the analysis around VP Chiwenga wearing his uniform to a military handover ceremony are just too disparate to make sense. It's common military etiquette that he can wear that uniform for specific occasions. That is there to talk about in that. Unfortunately, it appears the mentality of many suddenly posturing about power and signals may actually be the same mindset behind his own actions too. If it was for the occasion, fine and dandy, but if there were other motives, maybe zvekuda kuvhundutsira, it doesn't work. The country has a new high command and more power can never be a resident in a retired general than in those who have been installed and legally occupy those offices. Only desperate souls weave such conspiracies. Mashoko anobudaita kubva panapa achipindurwa naTemba Mliso after everyone, most of the people vamutega vachiti Mliso chimboya umbotaura, tiri kuziva kuti iwe haudi kuona VP Constantino Chiwenga achitaura kuti uri kudi pamusoro penhau iyi. Pinda mumasection bedu mozamafungiro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musawana subscribe or like channel na bell icon.